In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import subscribers into Beehiiv. Beehiiv is an amazing platform for managing your email lists and newsletters, and getting your subscribers on board can really help boost your engagement and outreach. So let's dive right in. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now I know that getting started with new software can sometimes feel overwhelming, but I promise to walk you through the entire process step by step. First things first, you will want to log in to your Beehiiv account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and create one. Once you're in, you're ready to roll. When you're logged into your dashboard, look for an option that says Subscribers. Typically, this will be located on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. You should now see a summary of your current subscribers, if you have any, and various options to manage them. For importing your subscribers, look for a button that says Import Subscribers. This option could be located at the top of the subscriber list or somewhere easily visible. Once you've found it, give it a click. You'll be prompted to upload a file. The import process is designed to work with CSV files, so if your subscribers are in another format, you'll need to convert them into a CSV. Don't worry, most spreadsheet programs like Excel or Google Sheets will allow you to save or export your file as a CSV. Just open your file, choose File from the menu, then Save As or Download, and select CSV as the format. Once you have your CSV file ready, you'll want to return to Beehiiv. Now, back to the import page. There should be an option to select your file. Click on Choose File or something similar, and navigate to the CSV file you just prepared. Once you've selected it, you may see a preview of your subscribers. This is a great opportunity to double-check that everything looks correct, such as their names and email addresses. Once you're confident that the information is accurate, look for the button that says Import or Upload, and let it do its magic. Depending on how many subscribers you're importing, this could take a few moments. During this time, it's normal to be a little anxious, but remember that Beehiiv is designed to handle these kinds of tasks smoothly. After the import is finished, you should receive a confirmation message on your screen indicating that the import was successful. This is a great moment to celebrate because you have just added new subscribers to your list. Now, let's discuss what to do next. Once your subscribers are imported, you might want to segment them for targeted campaigns. Segmentation allows you to send specific content to different groups within your subscribers based on their interests or behaviors. You can do this by tagging your subscribers or placing them into categories within Beehiiv. Navigate to your subscriber list and explore options that let you manage and organize your subscribers effectively. Additionally, it's a good idea to craft a welcome email or a series of onboarding emails for your new subscribers. This not only gets them excited about what they can expect from your content, but also sets the tone for your engagement moving forward. Beehiiv has various templates for newsletters, so you might find that helpful. So that wraps up our tutorial on how to import subscribers into Beehiiv. I hope you found this information helpful and that you feel more confident about managing your email lists. Don't forget to check back for more tips and techniques that can boost your email marketing efforts. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.